Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Here to bring you guys and ladies and gentlemen, the last demo of the Black Kia. Finally came to the end with her. You know, decision has been made, you know, to jump up into something else. No action in the comments what I got, guys. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to be, you know, shocked when you see it. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to be surprised, you know. But, you know, only people that I'll probably be close with or talk to on the phone with but might know what it is. You know, and they probably don't even know what it is. So, yeah, I didn't tell nobody yet. So, that's how it's going to be. Like, nobody won't know nothing until they actually see the car, you know, or truck or whatever it is. But now, and as far as the speakers, so what we're going to be taking out, we're going to be taking out the tweeters. You know, we're going to take the 4-channel amp out. The 4-channel amp probably can get hooked up to the factory speakers in the other car. You know, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Right now, you know, we just kind of like freestyling and imagining what we're going to do to the other car. You know, radio, they can keep the radio, so say goodbye to the Kenwood. You know, I mean, as far as the front speakers, I'll let them keep that too. But everything back here is coming with me. I mean, everything. You know, it's not going to be hard to unconnect all this stuff. It's got a couple of, just unconnect the big ones, the big batteries. I had to get some more 0 gauge wire though, I know that much too. You know, I got the 2 batteries too back there. I mean, now the only downer, and I said this before in my video, is that it's the alternator. You know, that's what I'm saying. Like, you're not gonna probably keep the car forever. And you get the high output alternator, and guess what? Somebody else that gets the car is going to get them a high output alternator. Because the car I got, I cannot use this. The new car that I'm getting, I would not be able to use that alternator. You know, I hope we covered it all. Like I said, the tweeters are coming with me, and the box, the woofers, the CT sound amp. No, I might just keep the amp rack like the way it is. You know, should be able to fit anywhere, you know. So let's get a nice demo going. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's get started. It's the only thing I hate about being out here. People be walking their dogs over here. I almost got attacked by one the other day. Lady was like, "Oh, come here, dog." I'm like, "You better come get this, mom." That's exactly when I was doing these speakers. So my hands was full. You know, the dog tried to got me and put speakers in the hand. But here we go, y'all. Let's see. We played this one before though, but let's check it out. I know we're gonna play this because we just love it.
That's the company. I reloaded, motherfucker, get it on the floor. Raised by the 20th century, we all pray. Live to see a black bread. I survived the shot, then I got it. Don't spit her. Every line's a bad habit. Whenever I change, won't change. Same nigga from the hood, I can never change. So monopoly, we are so long. No enemy, be gone. No stopping me. What's up with that on red? What's up with that rooster? What's up with your best friend? Don't be a party pooper. We can all make it happen. We should just group up. I'm talking like my prize in the old days. Old soul, so I'm riding to the OJ. OC loud, got me feeling okay. Drunk as hell off a Hennessy and Rose. So long, no enemy, be gone. So long, no enemy, be gone. No stopping me, too strong. Who the kid? What? Last name. Brother had the torch and he passed the flame. No enemy. Hater be gone. No stopping me. Who the king too strong? Comes come with the money and the power. Everything good can still go sour. I like changing. Time to move on. Adios, nigga, so long. So long, no enemy, be gone. No stopping me, too strong.
We're calming down. Like everybody's starting to pop up now. You know, everybody like probably riding past it like dang. But nah, that's it, man. You know, it's like we've been through so much with this car, and it's like I can't fail to realize, and you know, it really kept me going through the tough times, you know, of all bad stuff happening, you know. Like this is like one of the good parts, you know, of my life right now. So it's crazy to say stuff like that, you know. Let me see how this one go real quick. I'm only gonna go for like a couple of seconds on this one. Oh shoot. Oh, well, that was the that was the Bluetooth doing that. It just went off like it just went buffering, that's all. Damn. That was nice. yeah, I hope you guys liked that demo, man. We're gonna miss her, man. You know, from the bump offs, you know, hey, the Kia is a possible, what, 4-0 in bump offs. You know, possible. I ain't gonna say I won all of them, you know. Like the one with the van with me and my boy, it was too close to call, you know, as far as y'all comments in that one. But as far as everything else though, you know, like, man, it has been a winner, man. It has been a winner. You know, it has seen a lot of other car systems, and man, it's the reason that I got into car audio. So I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.